So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to join a meeting on Zoom Workplace. So basically, first you need its application, which is you should be downloading the Zoom Workplace on your web browser. And after you download it, make sure to have an account and enter your credentials for you to able to access it. And once you're in, you will see this page. And for you to able to join a meeting, you just have to click on the join, which is usually indicated as the plus icon. Once you click on that, it will ask for a meeting ID or even a personal link name. And then under its second text field, you will see enter your name or any nickname that you wanted to be displayed when you enter the meeting. Like for example, this. So after that, you'll be entering the first text field, the meeting ID that you have gathered, and once you click on the join, it will automatically ask for a passcode. But if the Zoom meeting doesn't require you a passcode, when you click the join button right here, it will automatically join the meeting. So if you already have a link of that meeting, you could actually click that link and it will automatically join you to that specific meeting without the need of meeting ID as well as the password. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.